Hi guys, I'm Chef Dash, and welcome to the DishDash channel, where you can find quick, easy, and surely tasty recipes. Today, I have a special treat for you all, a spicy Korean tofu stir-fry recipe that will surely tickle your taste buds. But before we begin, make sure you have all your ingredients ready before you start cooking. This will help you cook faster and avoid the mess in the kitchen. Trust me, it makes the whole cooking experience much more enjoyable. So, guys, if you haven't tried tofu, it's a super versatile, protein-packed ingredient made from soybeans. We're using firm tofu today because it holds up great in a stir-fry. Let's get cooking. Now, let's take a look at what we'll need for our meal today. We have 1 block, 14 ounces, firm tofu, drained and pressed, cut into cubes, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or sesame oil, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 bell pepper, sliced, you can use any color, 1 medium carrot, thinly sliced, 2 green onions, sliced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon ginger, minced, 1 tablespoon gochujang, which is a Korean red chili paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, for garnish, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, optional, for garnish, cooked rice or noodles, for serving. You can find recipe ingredients in the video description as well. Now that we have everything ready, let's get cooking. Start by heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or sesame oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Add the tofu cubes and cook until golden brown on all sides, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the broccoli florets, bell pepper, and the carrot. Stir-fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until they start to soften. Now, add the minced garlic and ginger to the skillet. Stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Wow, this smells absolutely delicious. Next, let's bring that signature Korean flavor. In a small bowl, mix together the gochujang, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and honey or maple syrup. Add the tofu to the skillet with the vegetables and let the party begin. Pour the sauce over the tofu and vegetables. Stir well to coat everything evenly, and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, while the sauce is getting thicker slightly. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious videos. And there you have it, a mouth-watering spicy Korean tofu stir-fry. Garnish it with some chopped green onions and sesame seeds for that extra touch and serve it with cooked rice or noodles. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to tell us in the comments how your dish turned out. If you try this recipe, I'd love to see your creations. Share your dishes on Instagram and tag us at DishDash. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and spread the love. Happy cooking, everyone!